La 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 la. To your massage. Tonight I'm gonna feel alive, and no one won't be acting nice. So baby, go and start a fight. I'm in love with the city lights. Look, I'm enough of a big star. I got my girls and I got my cars. Come on here, baby, be a buzz. Do whatever you want. Unlock your shop. We're back to pop. Whatever I do, not up to you. We gotta shut it up. La la la. Let's stop, won't stop. Unlock your shop. Whatever you do, not up to you. We gotta shut it up. There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S.
Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl A. Today we about to do an Amazon Unice hair wig slay. Okay, girl, look. Now this one here is a beautiful 7x5 light Yaki texture bob. Girl, if you are ready and this is the season for you for bobs, then get you one of these Amazon units. This is light Yaki texture. It is pre-everything, which means, girl, everything was done. Y'all see me just take this out the bag and put her on. The color is actually really, really pretty. It's like a chestnut brown. And like I stated, it is pre-everything, which means it is pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-styled. What else can I say? Pre-approved, girl. This is one that is ready to wear. Now look, I am plucking some of the hairline. That's because I like what I like. You do what you do and you like what you like. But for me, I just wanted a little bit thinner in the front. It definitely was nothing wrong with it, but this is my preference, okay? This is 100% human hair. Girl, if you want you a bob, this is the opportunity. It's Amazon, girl. Everything is super affordable on Amazon. Part is optional, but I'm just going to give me a little bit of those baby hairs on the side, and I'm going to use this Eben Wonderbond lace. Now, this stuff really does make the lace melt and disappear. Now, also, it depends on what type of lace you work with. And girl, when I tell you that Unice Hair has great lace, they got great lace. Affordable, girl, affordable, and actually really, really gorgeous. You could definitely slay in a 7x5, okay? Now I'm going to just take my wax stick because I'm going to put a little bit of heat to this, okay? The first thing we're going to do, though, is we're going to cut these little sideburn hairs. I just put these just to camouflage that there isn't any more hair or lace on the side right there. And I'm going to just repeat that same step on the opposite side. A little bit of that styling mousse. And voila, girl, we ready to roll, okay? Now, of course, I'm going to go ahead and spray a little bit extra of this Even New York. And I'm also going to put a little bit of tiny little bit of, baby hairs in the front. So that way, if you're looking too hard, you still couldn't realize that it's a wig. When I tell you that their lace at Unice is lacing and doing what it's supposed to do, it does what it's supposed to do. Now, let's just go ahead and put on this melting band, and then we're going to just style this unit. Now, like I said, I did put in my wax stick, and I'm going to do a little bit of hot pressing on this. It's great to use a wax stick on any of your units when you are adding heat to it because it'll make the hair lay a lot more flatter or flush to your hairline or scalp. Now, you know what I say about Amazon. You can get just about everything on Amazon, like this hot comb that I'm using, and you can also get yourself some wax stick. And if you ain't got no melting band, you could definitely get those on Amazon as well. But Unice will definitely have you covered. because they come through with a melting band as well as some other amenities that I'm pretty sure you will be appreciative of. Now, do y'all see how nicely this melts? Just like butter, baby, just like butter. And if you do want to put some curls in this, then you can definitely go ahead and do that because this lace front wig is definitely heat approved. But I'm going to just wear this straight. It already came with a middle part. You can easily change that up if you like. And I'm going to just go ahead and use a little bit of my foundation stick, just a little bit because I want that part to be popped. Now, baby, look at this hairline. She definitely came out good to go. Okay, I am definitely feeling her. This is what she's looking like on the sides. Girl, look at that. I'm just saying. Girl, I will definitely link everything in the description box for Unice hair. When I tell you they got you affordable and cute. And if you want a different color and bob, well, they got you covered for that too. Make sure you check out my other videos because I got a whole collection of everything Unice. Ain't that nice? Now, even if this is a short bob, girl, look, you can still put her up in any type of pin-up, cornrows, whatever. Do you, experiment, have fun with your unit, make it work for you. And this is easily hidden on the sides so that way nobody knows that the lace is not lacing all the way around. Okay, summertime bob, summertime color, and summertime cuteness. Stay cool, divas. Check out the information box down below. Let me know what you think. What would you wear with this bob? Do you even like bobs? Girl, I love me some Yaki texture because it just looks so natural and realistic. Plus, I like anything that's no hassle. Put it on and go, girl. Just put it on and go. I love a unit that you could take right out the pack and put her on. Let me know your thoughts on this unit. Did I work her or did I not? Stay beautiful, stay diva and divalicious, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.